This is Wendy Lopez, reporter for VoiceWaves. I am interviewing Annette Quintero, community organizer for Long Beach Immigrants Rights Coalition. Hello, Annette.
Hi, Wendy. How are you?
Good, and you?
Good, thank you.
Can you explain what the Long Beach Immigrant Rights Coalition is and how long has it been around?
Yes, the Long Beach Immigrant Rights Coalition was founded in 2006 after the immigration marches on May 1st, and we are a group of community members, individuals, organizations that have come together to address immigrant needs in the community, be it advocacy needs, service needs, or educational needs.
Okay, thank you. Can you tell us what services you provide?
Yes, in respect to services, we provide free ESL classes twice a week at St. Athanasius Church in North Long Beach. And they're free to the community, mostly adult Spanish speakers, but anyone's welcome to attend. We also, in work with ICO, we put on citizenship classes twice a week, once on Thursday nights at St. Lucy's and another night on Friday nights at St. Athanasius. We also provide services with respect to Know Your Rights trainings and legal clinics. The Know Your Rights trainings teach people what to do if immigration were to come to the house, how to form an immigration emergency plan similar to like earthquakes or fire escape plans. The legal clinics are free consultations to the community with community lawyers.
Can you describe some of the past accomplishments of the coalition?
Yes, I think some of the things that I'm most proud about with the coalition have been our work with the DREAM Act and working on various levels to move policies regarding undocumented students forward. We worked with Councilmember O'Donnell, Councilmember Steve Neal, and Councilmember Robert Garcia to move the DREAM Act forward to pass a resolution at the city level. We also worked really hard to push for AB 130 and AB 131, which would provide in-state tuition to undocumented students that are AB 540 students. We also worked really hard with Housing Long Beach and other community partners to pass a language access policy to be implemented citywide to get documents and services translated. And I think policy work are our biggest accomplishment. But we've also connected people with great legal help that have been able to move forward on fixing their immigration status. We have educated people on their rights so they're not as afraid in the community. And we've networked people with other agencies, and those are some of our proudest accomplishments, at least in my opinion.
What role did the community play in those accomplishments?
The community is why we are here. They play the central role in our work. We are a very small organization with very limited funding, so we rely on community members and community partners to put on all of our events. And I think that that's the best way to do it regardless of funding, because we are able to reach people on a broader level. And the community is just central. It's the first thing on our mind. It's the last thing on our mind.
Where can people get in contact with you to receive those services?
Well, you can contact the Immigrant Rights Coalition. You can connect with us on Facebook at Facebook.com/LBIRC, or you can email us directly at LBImmigrant, IMMIGRANT, rights, RIGHTS, @gmail.com.
Okay.
Or you could phone me at 714-335-5297.
Thank you. What does a healthy Long Beach look to you?
A healthy Long Beach to me means a community that doesn't live in fear, a community that's able to work with each other, a community that's thriving not only in physical health but mental health, and is just working as a collective, as a very unified group of individuals that come together without fear, that are working on various issues, including housing, health, air quality, immigration, because these things are all interconnected, and that's what I think a healthy community means.
Well, thank you very much for your time, Annette.
Thank you.